I finally arrived to my first stop. I gotta back into that and unload. I gotta dead stack it. Dead stacking mean like you got a certain number across the pallet and a certain amount high. So I got a straight frame today, no low boy. So I think these straight frames hold less amounts. Q feet meaning the number of boxes. So these straight frames seem like, I could be wrong, but they seem like they got less amounts of boxes. So I only got like 6. All right, time to unload onto those pallets. I gotta do 36 high, 6 high and 6 across. Done. Pretty much had to dead stack all these boxes onto that pallet. So I'm halfway through this straight frame trailer now. All right, y'all, we are here in Winston-Salem. So a lot of times they'll give you something where you gotta unload, and then after the unload you gotta go and pick up a drop. So I'm here picking up a drop. Gotta go in here and get my paperwork, sign and date off. All right, got my bills. So now I gotta drop the empty and pick up the loaded. Look, it's a loaded one. This is the loaded one. The yard jockey, got it for me, and he just told me leave my empty where it is. But I pretty much gotta get up in there and get my load bar. And since I had to do a dead stack, which was stacking boxes on pallets, the only thing I needed to bring today was my load bar. I didn't need my ramp board or my hand truck, so let me not forget. Yeah, so sometimes when you go to these places, they'll order stuff and then don't want it. So they pretty much, had me put this back on there. So I had to take this back. And then sometimes they'll put stuff in here that just totally do not belong, period. Yep, so, man, yeah, it's crazy. But, yeah, let me get, like a lot of times when you get a vend, those are places where you dead stack, like I said, to where you don't need your ramp board or your hand truck. But I don't care what you're doing, always bring a load bar, because you always got to brace a load. You always got to brace. Sometimes you don't have to brace it if it's like really loaded to the door, but you just never know. You rather be prepared to safely brace your load than not have a brace and then you can't pull off because you're unsafe to do so, because if you go down the road, all your goods gonna fall over the place. So all right, we got this straight frame. So these tandems are all the way back. I don't ride like that. I want to at least be in the 6 to 7 fold. So let me adjust my. So in order to adjust tandems, each hole is an estimate about $250 per hole, and you got a set of holes. So $250 is about $500 per pull up or back up. And if you back up, like if I put myself in reverse, it's going to push the trailer back, make the wheels come forward. But then if I put myself in drive, it's going to pull the trailer up to make the wheels go. All right. I kind of hate setting up when there's a lot of people around, because people probably be looking at me like, what is she doing? But let me show y'all. I'm about to back up and set these tandems. retractor valve because you need the brakes on your trailer to be set so you can slide. And some of these trailers got push rods, push buttons, and pull rods. You see right here, this is the push button style trailer, and out. This will go in. See how it's going in? And sometimes you gotta rock because all trailers are not new. So when they're rusty, you gotta rock your truck back and forth for them to go in. But I'm just showing y'all that. So pushing it in makes it lock, pulling out makes it unlock. So we want that joint to be locked because you don't want to turn the corner and then that trailer tip off of your I know I mispronounced it. Y'all like correcting me. Tandems, however you say it. You don't want this trailer to flip off the suspension system. So yes. So in your truck and you're trying to set your tandems, the red one is your trailer brake, the yellow one is your tractor, which is the truck brake. So you only push that in because those are only brakes that need to be released because you need to move the tandems. And when you leave your trailer brake set, it makes the trailer sit still so that the trailer itself can slide on that tandem system. I see this place have a lot of first fleet. Like they got different companies, so I'm guessing that they pull for. But it seems like they got a lot of first fleet. I actually was supposed to work for First Fleet. Like actually First Fleet had hired me and everything before I came to Frito. Like the day before Transports gave me the opportunity to come to Frito, First Fleet actually had me ready to work and everything. Like they had my paperwork set up and everything, and that's just bumping docks. But they don't make nowhere near as much money as Frito. So I said, nah. I said, damn, I know the guy hired me on, but I'm sorry, I gotta go where the money at. So I don't care if I gotta touch some freight. I don't mind hard work, but at the end. So I'm sorry, First Fleet. I'm sorry, but you know, I'm out here to get as much money as possible. The more money I can get, that is my goal. You know, I don't mind. You know.
Yeah. So a lot of y'all, like I said, a lot of y'all probably be thinking like, you probably just doing all that hard work, working for Frito, because that's the only job you can get. No, it's not the only job I can get. You know how many bumping docks a person can get with a CDL? I made a video about this. Y'all know how priceless a dang CDL is. I get any job. My record's clean. I ain't got no points. I ain't got no criminal record. That accent ain't even really on my record. So I don't know what y'all be talking about. Y'all just, some people they like running their mouth like toilet tissue, whatever the case ever. But man, people act like never seen hard work before. I mean, I've gotten so many funny comments from people when they see me unload this trailer. I've gotten comments from, oh, you probably have a gun under your pillow, don't you? Why do I have a gun under my pillow? Because I unload trailers. One dude was so amazed, he asked to take my picture. He said, "Dang, I've never, out of my 20 years of working here, I've never seen a woman do this. I've never seen that. I just want to show my manager, can I please get a picture?" It could have been perverted, but at the same time, I don't know. But he really did look amazed. And then another guy today, he was like, "Man, let me see your arms, make a muscle." So I made a muscle, right? And he was like, "Oh wow, I see why you got all the muscles unloading this trailer every day." I said, "Ah, damn man, I tell you, boy, it's just work. It's just work." And then some people feel sorry for me and bring me like drinks and stuff. Or you want me to open the door for you? You sure you okay? I'm okay. It's just work. It's just a little bit of heat and work. Well, heat hurt people. Yeah, work hurt people too. But hey, I'm not scared of work. That's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm gonna say about that. I tell you,